So hey guys, how are you all? I hope you guys are stay good and stay positive. So today topic we are going to see about your person's next action and as well as their channel or messages for the fire element, Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So guys, if at all you are from this sign, like this zodiac sign like Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, you can watch this video. So this video is especially for only the fire element like Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So guys, we can see about your person's next action and as well as the channel messages. So guys, if at all you are looking my channel for the very first time, welcome you all to my channel. So please give a love and support. I hope you will also be a part of this family. So because you are each and every person's subscription and your each and every person's support is very much important for me to motivate me a lot and as well as to grow this channel as well. Okay, so let's start the reading now. Like what could be your person's next action? Before starting the reading, I can feel that you may be overthinking about your situation. So don't be overthink about your situation. Be calm down. Let's see what will be happen here. So for the Aries, Leo and Sagittarius, let's see about like what could be happen next in this connection. So the first card we get, not enough. I think you maybe feel very frustrated about the situation, about your relationship. Yeah, you are trying to be focused on yourself. You guys are trying to be focused on yourself. Yes. So the bottom of the deck we get Cupidia Rose. Okay. So the first message we get a keys on a ring. And the next card we get the sword and the rose. And the next card we get the lightning. Next card we get a self-indulgence. And the last card we get a not enough. Okay, so guys, I can see a two set of reading here, so you can take which is resonate with you. So you are waiting for a truth from your person's side, or else yeah, you are waiting for some kind of a truth from your person's side that they need to be rebel towards you. Okay, or else you maybe get some kind of a clarity from your person. So overall I can see that there may be some kind of a clarity that your person will try to give you in upfront, and that may definitely shock you a lot because you didn't think that this could be happen because I can clearly feel that, I can strongly see that some kind of a clarity you maybe get from this situation from your person, and that will definitely make you into the shock. Okay, so situation was be like a toxic here for some people. Situation was be like a toxic here. So it's be when it comes to the self-indulgence, I can see that you guys are clearly focusing on your side. You guys are putting the priority over here, but at the same time I want to say you that there may be some kind of clarity will be come from your person, and where you maybe think that this person will not come and communicate, this person will not come and do the reconciliation like the way you maybe think, but there may be some kind of a heavy chances that your person will come and communicate with you. So that's become like a very shocking news for you. Okay, for some kind of a person, and as well as you are waiting that there may be some kind you are waiting for some kind of an improvement from this person. Yes, sorry, for the bottom of the deck we get the Cupidia Rose as well. So yeah, so there may be some kind of an chances that this person will try to open up with you right now. Maybe in the past this person have been treated you as an option with the keys on a ring. I can see that in the past your person may be treated you as an option, whereas right now they maybe give you some kind of a clarity that why they have been done that kind of a mistake, why they have do such kind of stuffs with you, and they maybe try to expand where you are in a move on kind of a mindset. It's for some kind of the people, I don't say that you are completely move on. You are not be completely move on. You are feeling that this connection will not be worked enough, or else this person will not try to give you some kind of a commitment, so that you want to be focused on yourself, you want to be focused on your side, like you want to be focused on your career, overall your career and goals, like that I can see from your side. Okay, and the next card we get the like Cupid arrows as well. So you want something solid from this person. If at all they are giving you some kind of a clarity, you are ready to accept like whoever, whatever they are, but you need some kind of an a strong reconciliation, a strong foundation, a strong commitment from this person. Okay, a strong love relationship, a strong commitment from this person. So if at all there may be some kind of a chances for some kind of the people that they will be reveal the truth, they will try to give you some kind of a clarity, and there may be some kind of a good improvement will be happen on this relationship. So for other side of the people, this person is still be in a narcissistic kind of a situation. They are still be focusing on those third party kind of a stuff, so that you will get some kind of a clarity over this person, that okay, this relationship has been done, this relationship is not on my hand right now. So you are trying to be focused on the other options. You may be trying to focus on with the self-indulgence and with the Cupid arrows. I can say that you maybe try to focus on other things. You may be try to focus on a new relationship, a new person. You may be dating, you may be try to date some other new person in your life, because you know that for second set of the people, you know that this person is still into the trap of the third party, and they won't come away, that they won't come out from the third party. So you feel that it's be like a waste of time to give your energy to this kind of a people, so that you will try to be focused on your life, and you will try to focus on your career. For some set of the people, I can see that you are be like an open-minded now, and you may be hang out with new people. So you may be hang out with a new person as well in your life. Okay, so these are the energies I can see from your person end, and as well as your end as well. I don't know, I get I just check with your person end of an extraction, but still I get an extra messages from your side as well, that your action is also be reflected on the table. I see that both the actions, both you and your person actions has been reflected on the reading. So that's the reason I have been expanded. So this is for I think for the earth element and for the fire element, this thing have been happened. Like for the both set of the reading, I get that actions from both the side. I can see the result of both the side of an actions. Whereas the main motto is about to check about your person action. So let's see about your person channel messages, like what they want to say, what they are feeling for you. So I hide who I really am from you. So what I have been said, so this person have been this person have been hide something from you. They have actually not revealed their truth. They are not revealed their truth. So right now they want to give you some kind of a clarity which you want from this person. Okay, so now this person will try to give you the clarity, which will definitely put you into the shock state of a situation. And the next messages I get, like I look for you everywhere. So this person is missing you, so that's the reason this person is coming back. So for some set of the people, this person will be end up with the third party and will choose you. Okay, and for the next we get the card like my life is not as together as it seems. So they are feeling that little bit they are feeling that little bit confusion mindset. They are in a little bit confusion mindset. So I have said you already that for some set of the people, this person will leave the third party and come back to you. For some set of the people, this person will again be into the trap, again be into the loop trap of the third party. So in such kind of a cases, this kind of a situation will be happen, like confusion situation will be get happen. And the next card we get, I wonder if you are happy with me. So yes, again, so they know that they have done some kind of a past wounds, some kind of a past mistakes for you. They have been treated you in a wrong way, they know that. So that's why this person is wondering about that, if at all you are accept this person like who they are, how they are. So they maybe see that by like some kind of a shocking news. Okay, because like the way they are communicating towards you, you feeling the shock here. The way you try to accept this person, like how they are, who they are, that's creating them to be shocking. So you speak to me through music. So this person is feeling that you speak to them through the music. So I don't know, maybe you guys may have like a same kind of a playlist. You guys may love same kind of a songs. When there may be some kind of a similarities while hearing some kind of a songs, I can see that. So these are the memories that these things put you and as well as your person to remind of each other. So overall I can see that for again it is be like a confirmation, for it is be like a two set. So for some kind of a people, this person is living a third party and then coming back towards you to communicate with you, to make you as a priority, to put you as a priority. Because with the Cupid arrows I can again confirm you the same thing. So for again side of the people, other side of the people, I can say that this person is still be on that loop of the third party, and so that I hope you maybe try to move on from this person and you want to choose some kind of a better option in your life. Okay, so because I can see that you are be like open-minded, you are try to welcome some kind of a new person in your life. That energy also I can see from your end for the Aries, Leo and Sagittarius. So these are the energy I can see from your person end. So guys, if at all you like my video, if at all it resonated with you, please do like, share and subscribe. If at all you are watching my channel for the very first time, I hope you will also be a part of this family. I hope you will also be subscribe my channel. So guys, if at all your friends and family members may like the tarot reading, please do recommend my channel to them so that they can also get some kind of a clarity and guidance. If at all you guys need any kind of a personal reading, you can do reach out either on my WhatsApp or else my Instagram ID. So yeah, both the link have been given in the comment, in a pinned comment. You can check with that. You can either reach out on my WhatsApp or also you can either reach out on my Instagram. Okay, and next thing is guys, if at all you want to learn a tarot cards, you can join on my section. So I'm teaching from the basic to advanced, so that with a very affordable prices, so you can learn a lot. So if at all you're interested, you can do join on my section. For that information, to get like more information, to know more information about that, you can please text me on, you can please DM me on my either on my WhatsApp or also on my Instagram. And next thing guys, like the way you are giving your love and support on my YouTube account, please give your love and support on my Instagram account as well. I have been mentioned my Instagram account, so you can please go and check with that in a highlight comment. And again I want to say the same thing guys, please give your love and support, please give your love and support. Please do subscribe my channel, because each and every person's support and subscription will definitely motivates me a lot. It definitely helps me to improve the channel as well. And for the next reading I will be post for an August month, like overall love life and career, like how it will go for an August month. So please stay tuned, so keep watching and please stay tuned, please give your support. See you guys in the next video. Until then, love you all, take care, bye bye, bye bye.